Hi, Stefan Swartling here from Swartling Network. More and more people are moving away from social networks like Facebook and so on to more private networks like Snapchat and even Instagram in private mode, especially teenagers and kids. But there is also another thing that is starting to happen, and that is Apple's Airdrop. I've earlier talked about Apple's mesh technology, the mesh network feature that is built into iOS, and AirDrop uses this technology. And by doing that, AirDrop doesn't need a known Wi-Fi connection. You don't need to be connected to a Wi-Fi network by using AirDrop. And you don't need a mobile data connection at all, so it doesn't drain your mobile data plan or something. So you only need Bluetooth activated and you need Wi-Fi activated. If you have those two services activated, you can use AirDrop. AirDrop uses Bluetooth for identity, to identify you as a user, and it uses Wi-Fi for speed, for transfer files and so on. And AirDrop is excellent for transfer files. You can transfer any file that supports AirDrop. The app needs to support AirDrop. So you can transfer images, videos, documents, whatever really. So you can even transfer an iMovie project from your iPhone to an iPad or a friend's iPhone or a family member's iPhone. So AirDrop is very, very useful because it's so fast and doesn't use your mobile data connection. So you can share files with anyone, anywhere in the world. So you only need to do this to use AirDrop. You go in here, and down here you can choose to select AirDrop to all or only your contacts. So you can choose, for example, all, then anyone that is near you can send a file to you. That's pretty cool. You have to accept it, of course, before you get it, but you can be anywhere in the world and anyone that is near you can send a file to you. So you can share files with each other if you have AirDrop activated. So for example, here is my latest iMovie project from yesterday. And if I want to share that with anyone, I click on the share button and this opens. And at the top there, you can see that my iPhone shows up. That is my iPhone account. So if I click on that now, I will send the complete project from iMovie to my iPhone. And if you have been near me with your iPhone or iPad and has AirDrop activated from all, then your account would show up here with your image eventually that you have set on your account and so on. So I can click on you and send the AirDrop iMovie project via AirDrop to you. That's pretty nifty, and it's really, really fast. I can send gigabytes of video in just a minute, so this is really, really cool. And more users is starting to use AirDrop instead of Snapchat now, because that is totally private and you don't need an account, you don't need to connect your email address to an account, and you don't need to have a service and upload images and files to that service. You can just share files from device to device. So you don't need an account, you don't need to upload files anywhere in the cloud or so on. So AirDrop is a way for kids and teenagers now to, for example, share images to each other in school where Snapchat is not allowed, for example. And you can use AirDrop to connect with all your friends around you and share information, documents and all that between each other, between all these devices. I think this is kind of amazing, really. And as I've said before, I think we will see more and more services, more and more apps that uses the mesh technology in iOS. I think we will see dedicated apps to share files between each other and so on using this mesh technology, because that is totally free. You don't need to use your mobile data plan for sharing files and so on, and it's totally private. Totally private. You don't need an account or anything. So I think we will see more and more apps that uses this feature, this service. Business Insider has done an excellent article about what I'm talking about, that teenagers are starting to use AirDrop instead of Snapchat and Instagram and Facebook and so on. So I will link to this excellent article in the description text below this video, so you can go check this post out. Okay, bye.